What is up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's having an awesome day today. So the reason I just had to drop this video, I got a big comeback video coming through. I don't know if I want to talk to you guys about that too much, but I'll just talk to you guys about it. So anyways, I got Elite Tuner in Vegas going down next month on February the 22nd. It's gonna be big. So that's my big comeback video that I'm planning to do. It might be 1 or 2 videos, I'm not sure, but it's a big video and I decided to maybe drop 1 or 2 videos before that video. And for this video, let me tell you guys what's going on. Basically, I'm installing a front lip on my 370. I just kind of wanted to give you guys an update. I'm not sure if I ever showed you guys how this car looked like before, so I plan to do a before and after video. And yeah, I'm gonna be installing a front lip on my 370. It's a 3-piece lip. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future uploads. Anyways, let's get started with the video. Okay, so here's the 3-piece lip I'm gonna be installing today. Funny story, so I already had this on before. I ended up getting the exact same one again. That's where you guys see that tape there. The reason why I got it again was because I hit a tire coming out the freeway late night, and it hit the side piece on the right side and it came off. Ended up messing up my side skirt splitter. Not these, but the ones I had on before. I got these already. They're already installed. I was pretty upset when that happened, but you know, stuff happens. It's all good. It's the old one and this is the new one. So let's get to it. So this is the front part, like the other one. It just goes straight in the middle. It comes with 3M tape and some hardware. We're all good. And it's pretty simple just installing these. Just drill it. It's just direct fitment. Look. It's pretty simple and it looks great, honestly, in my opinion. I used to have a splitter underneath this and it's just way too low since I am lowered. I just wasn't having it on the freeway. Alright, damn. Got the hardest part done. Just taking this tape off. There we go. This part is done. Now let's get the little side pieces on. side is on now. Just to be safe, I think I'm gonna just need a bolt on a screw right here just to make sure it's on super good, because it's still a little flimsy. But I'm gonna just flip the tire a little bit. Have it, you know, that was a quick install video. I'm sorry if it was just a quick short video for you guys, but like I said, like I mentioned, I got a big comeback video, even another video before that. So I just want to give you like an update of the Z and where it's standing. It's a never-ending journey. I got so many stuff planned for this car, like I'm nowhere close to even being done. Just stay tuned for the journey. Hope you guys enjoy it. Anyways, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Peace.